Good morning children. How are you doing today? Welcome to our school, Sri Veda the Universe School. I am Kamala and this is your English class. So, we completed our workbook page number 4. Have you copied children? The question and answers and the rhyming words? Easy? You have to learn also the question and answers, the answers. Very easy, no? Very easy words and very easy answers. Now, let us see what is given in page number 5. So, all of you open your workbook page number 5. Yes, have you opened? Take out your pencils also. Yes. Now, here they are given some fill in the blanks. And also to the side there is one boy and one girl. And around the boy there are some words, around the girl also there are some words. So, using these words you have to fill in the blanks. All these have C. They have the C letter and C sounds. Also different C sound. What are the C sounds? K and S. So, now let us see what are the fill in the blanks and let us write the correct word. Are you ready children? So, S-H-E, she. W-O-N, one. T-H-E, the. Dash. I-N, in. R-E-C-O-R-D is record. T-I-M-E, time. So, she won the dash in record time. Usually what? If we play anything, we win. Yes? We win. So, let us see which word over here matches to some playing game. So, first one is O-F-F-I-C-E, office. No, it's not a game, no. S-P-A-C-E is space. R-A-C-E is race. Yes, racing. Usually if you do race, running race, skipping, hopping, any race, then someone will win one. So what is the answer? It is race. R-A-C-E. Why here it is giving the S sound? Do you know? Because there is E. Here there is E. That's why it is S sound. Race. Yes? By this time you should know this one. Okay children? So in the first fill in the blank you write race. R-A-C-E. Race. Now let us see the second one. T-H-E. The. S-O-N. Sun. O-F. Off. A. K-I-N-G. King. I-S is A. The son of a king is A. All of you know who is a king? King, queen. Now the son of the king is called what? What is he called? Do you know? The son of a king is called a prince. He is called what? Prince. Now find out where is prince? P-R-I-N-C-E. Did you find the word? Yes, it is in that purple, violet box. So, what is the spelling? Here also it's giving the S sound only. Prince. Why? Because C is followed by E. So, let us write in the second blank. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince. Now, let us see what is the third fill in the blank. M-Y, my. D-A-D, dad. G-O-E-S, goes. T-O, to. My dad goes to dash. Where does the dad goes every day? He goes to the office. Yes or not? Your dad goes to office or not? Now everyone is working from home. But usually dad goes to office. So can you find out where is office here? Yes, the first one. The green one. O-F-F-I-C-E. Here also C is giving S sound only. Why? Because it is followed by E. So, let us write in the third fill in the blank. Office. O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. Yes? Now, let us see the fourth one. I-S is. T-H-E-R-E. There. E-N-O-U-G-H. E-N is N. O-U gives O sound. GH sometimes gives F sound. F also, like in laugh, L-A-U-G-H, laugh. E-N-O-U-G-H is enough. 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 Dash. I-N, in, T-H, the, C-A-R, car. F-O-R, for, M-E, me. What is given here? Is there enough dash in the car for me? She is asking. Is there enough? What we say? నేను కూడా కూర్చోడానికి ఏంటి? Space. Is there enough space in the car for me? So where is space here? Can you find the spelling of space? Yes, it is the second one in the brown ball. So S-P-A-C-E, space. Here also it is given S sound only. Why? Because again it is followed by E. After C there is E. After C, E. That's why it's giving the S sound. Space. Now let us see the next one. W-E-V. H-A-V-E, have. A. We have a dash. D-R-E-S-S, dress. C-O-M, comp. C-O-M-P, comp. E-T-I-T-I-O-N, competition. T-I-O-N always gives shun. Shun sound. T-I-O-N gives shun sound. So, competition. We have a dash dress competition. What do you think will come here? What dress competition you always have in your school? Fancy dress. Yes, fancy dress competition. Now find out where is fancy. F-A-N-C-Y, fancy. Yes, the red ball. So write fancy. F-A-N-C-Y, fancy. Here again Y S sound because it is followed by Y. It is followed by Y, we get S sound. Followed by E, S sound. Followed by I, also S sound. So, fancy. Next, the last one. I, A-M, am. A-N, an. I-N-D-I-A-N. What is that spelling you have learned in your Giants lesson? Indian. Yes, I am an Indian dash. What are you an Indian? We call it citizen. Those people who are staying in the country India are called Indian citizens. Means we belong to this country. Okay, children? So, where is citizen? Yes, it is again in the brown one. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N. Citizen. So, C-I-T-I-Z-E-N. Again, why you are getting a sound? Because it is followed by I. C is followed by I. That's why again sound only, no k sound. All this one we are giving only S sound. So, C-T-Zen. All of you know Z gives what sound? Z, Z. So, it is Zen. C-T-Zen. So, I am an Indian citizen. Are you an Indian citizen or not? Yes, all of us, we are Indian citizens. So, these are the fill in the blanks, children. Now, below this one, if you can see there are two big circles like this, and there is one more circle like this. And in one circle they ask to write you the K sound words. And in the other circle they ask you to write the S sound words. And here they ask you to sound 2 in 1. Means if there are 2 C's, I showed you cancer in the car. There are 2 C's, 1 K sound and 1 S sound. If there are any words like this, you have to write in the middle. 2 sound. 2 in 1. They are called 2 in 1. Means in the same word you get 1 C K sound and 1 C S sound. Like bicycle. Bicycle spelling is what? It is B-I-C-I-C-L-E. See, if you see bicycle, here it is giving k sound, here is giving s sound. Why? Here it is followed by y, and here there is no I, E or Y, so it's giving k sound. Bicycle. So here two C's, two sounds. So bicycle, like that words you are supposed to write in the center where these two are intersecting, means these two come together, means this place you have to write the two C sounds words. And if you see here, they have given many words. Like, can you count? 1. Let us count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This side 13 and this side 13 means the total 26 words, children. 26 words. You have to just write the K sound words here, S sound words here, and two, in one word, two sounds in the center. This one I am not giving you. You have to try to write on your own, because learn to read the word. Now I have given you so many words reading. Now you try to read with the sound, phonic sounds. One example they have given for each circle. For the K sound they have given the example class. Class. And here they have given cinema. Why cinema? Why here S sound? Why here K sound? See, after there is Y, I. So S sound, cinema. Here K sound, class. Like this, you have to write all the words, children. So what is the first? Let me help you. Few of them, or I'll read for you the words. You write them. Otherwise, I can also send for you. Or shall I write here and I'm not writing the answers, but I can just read for you. Cage. Cage. Well, how we call it? Cage. Where you get it? Under the K. K sound. Next one is C-U-R-D. C-U-R-D. Here K sound or S sound? No I, no E, no Y. So K sound only. So curd, curd, curd. So again here. Next one is price. P-R-I-C-E is price, because here there is E, S sound. So price. Price will come where? Oh, let me write like this, it will be easy for you. Here is the K sound. Here is the S sound. K, S. Okay. So price. P-R-I-C-E. After C there is a E. So price. S sound. Next one is C-I-R-C-L-E. C-I-R-C-L-E is what? Circle. Circle. So K sound only. Circle. Next one is C-E-N-T. Cent. Cent again here. C-E-N-T after C-E. Cent. Next one is C-O-M-E. Come. Again here. C-O-M-E. Come. Next one is C-A-L-F. Calf. We call it calf. L is silent here. L is not giving any sound. It's calf. The baby of a cow is called a calf. G-R-A-C-E is. Here which sound? C which sound it will give? After it is E. So it gives S sound. Grace. Grace. Next one. N-I-C-E. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl. This one you have learnt, no? Crawl. Next one is C-O-P-Y. Copy. This one also here only. C-O-P-Y. Copy. Next one is C-E-L-L-A-R. Again there is E. So it is cellar. Cellar. So here you have to write it. Next one is O-N-C-E. Again E. So it is once. Again you get it here. once. Next one. C, here two C's. C-Y-C-L-O-N-E. After C there is Y. So S sound. Cyclone. Cyclone. Cyclone will come where? Here. Cyclone you have to write here. Cyclone means tufan, we get know that one. Cyclone. Next one. Here also two C's. V-A-C-A-N-C-Y. Vacancy. Vacancy also here. Vacancy. Here. Next. C-A-R-E. Care. Care here. Next one. C-O-I-N. Coin. Coin also here. Next one is cylinder. Cylinder is here. Cylinder. Y S sound. Y. It's followed by Y. It's cylinder. Next one C-E. So it is center. 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 Sorry. Center. Okay. Next one is C-R-O-W-D. Crowd. It's K sound only. So crowd. Next one is comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Next one is V-O-I-C-E. After C there is E. So it is voice. Voice. Next one is A-D-V-A-N-C-E. After C there is E. So what sound? S sound. Advance. Advance. So here. Advance. You get here. Next one is C-I-R-C-U-S. Circus. Because there is U. U means here. Sorry, it is two C's. Two times C. C-I-R-C-U-S kada. One time C S sound and one time K sound. So you have to write here. Circus. C-I-R-C-U-S. Circus in the center. One. Next one is C-U-S-S-E-S-S. Here also two times C. After one C there is E. So the first C is K sound. Second C is S sound. Success. It is S-U-C is suck. S-C-E-S-S is ses. Success. So again that one also here. S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. Next last one. C-O-L-D. Cold. Cold is here. Okay children. All the K sound words, all this one you write in this one. All the S sound words you write in this circle. Okay children. So homework is just complete page number 5. Where I write? Right here. Homework complete page 5 in workbook. Okay children, with this we completed our workbook. We are doing our activity book also next. This time we are doing activity book with the lessons only. So in the next class I will do the activity book. So that's for today children. Complete nicely this page. I have given everything. So just you have to copy it. Okay children, and send me the picture. Have a nice day and goodbye.